Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to log in to your Phantom Wallet app. So in order to do this, you first need to launch your Phantom Wallet mobile application. Now once you are on the home page, you are going to see two different options in the bottom. The first is of create a new wallet and the second one is of importing an existing wallet. So as we want to log in our Phantom Wallet, you need to select the second option of importing your wallet. Once done, it will ask you whether you want to protect your wallet with the help of device authentication. So if you want to do so, then you just have to turn the toggle button on right next to it, or if you don't want to do this, then skip this step and press the next button in the bottom. After doing so, you will be landed on the second step, where you are going to see three different options with the help of which you will be able to log in into your Phantom Wallet account. The first option is of import secret recovery phrase. So if you have the secret recovery phrase with you, then you can select this option. Then here in this section, you just have to provide 12 to 24 secret recovery phrase, and then you just have to tap on the import secret phrase option and you will be able to log in into your Phantom Wallet. Now if you want to log in with your private key, then simply select the second option. Here you just have to select the Ethereum, Polygon or your Solana network, and after that you just have to provide your private key and the name associated with it. Then simply need to tap on the import button in the bottom. If you want to log in with your hardware wallet, then you simply need to tap on the connect hardware wallet button and then tap on the connect your ledger device. Then you need to follow further on-screen instructions in order to successfully log in into your Phantom Wallet application. So I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.